Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Word Module 1 same exam. Click on start new attempt because I already did one attempt, so I need to do again. So click on this start new attempt. This takes just 1 minute. Click on this start icon. Our task 1 is in the first body paragraph change the font of the word surviving a renovation to Californian FP. So select the text word surviving a renovation. This is surviving a renovation. Select this text and go to font tab here and type here California FB and press enter. Our task 2 is change the paper size of the current document to the legal option and then scale the document to the legal paper size of. So go to layout tab and size is change the paper size of the current document to the legal 8.5, this one legal 8.5, and then scale. Where is scale? Yeah, where is scale? Go to more paper size and now here 8.5 and width is 14 and then click on OK. Go to next step we did in last. Save the document as a file name. File, save as, browser, type pb, news, newsletter, letter, and click on save. Task 4 is in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. Insert a signature line using Jake Patterson as the singer name and Homer as the singer title. In the blank paragraph, insert in the blank paragraph at the end of the document, insert a signature line. Insert a signature line. In insert type, go to in text and click on the signature line. Add signature services. Yeah, 1 second. In last insert tab and in text signature lines, and now suggested signature, for example John D. So type here Jake Pat ERSON Patterson and singer name. In singer title type home owner and click on OK. Save the kitchen workbook document using the same file name and save location. File, save as, browse, and then save. Click on save. Print the document using the default setting. File, go to file and print and click on print. Switch the view option to display multiple pages at the document in the Word window. So go to view tab and go to switch window, sorry, read mode. Click on read mode. Retry this. Switch the view option to display multiple pages. Yeah. Of the document in the Word. So click on this. Yeah, go to next. I think I did mistake here. Apply the gold accent 5 paragraph shading the first option in the ninth column, the theme color palette to the letter add precision builder. So select the text and in text effect and in shading apply gold accent 5. Gold accent 5. No, sorry, shading. This is shading. Shading is here. Gold accent 5. Gold accent 5. Gold accent. I think apply the gold and white paragraph shading. Shading. Ninth column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gold and this is gold accent 5. Okay. Apply the picture style moderate frame black to the picture in select the picture and go to picture format. Apply the picture style. Go to picture style. Second option in fifth column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and second option moderate frame black. This one. Task is right align the italicized paragraph after the document title. Right, select this tag and right align. Right align. Select the bulleted list and change the bullet style to the square option, the fourth option in the library. Select this text, bulleted list. Select bulleted first bullet and go to here. And fourth option 1, 2, 3, fourth option in the bullet. Yeah. Add the find button to the quick access toolbar. Find, where is find? Go to file, go to options, in adds customize ribbon and in quick access toolbar. Click on quick access toolbar and click on find. Where is find? Click on find and then add and then OK. Task 13 is save the new blank document as a file name. Go to file, save as, browse and type pb projects and then click on save. Apply the fill white outline gold angular to hard shadow gold text effect in the to the word workbook below the title. Apply the fill white outline. Fill white. Apply the fill white. Leave this. Go to next tab. They take time, so show the horizontal and vertical ruler in the document. Go to view and click on ruler. Switch the current document to print layout. Go to view tab, and where is print layout? Print layout. Apply the outside border to the letter and paragraph. Start precision and ending with 390. Precision builder. Select and go to where is border. This is border and click on outside border. Outside border to the letter S starting with and ending with. Click on outside border. Yeah, outside. Click on outside border. Yeah, correct. Change the document margin to a narrow setting. Go to layout and margin to narrow. Resize the green text box so it approximately. Select this text box, and shape format, and in size height is 0.9 and width is 4.5 and press enter. Bold the text surviving a kitchen remodel workshop in the first body paragraph. Surviving a kitchen remodel workshop. Board. Click on board. In the title paragraph at the beginning of the document, apply the small cap font effect to the text precision builder. Select the text precision builder, only precision builder, and go to font and click on this icon and go to small cap. Check this box small cap and then OK. Close the kitchen remodel workbook document but leave word running. Close the kitchen remodel workbook document but leave word running. So go to here and then click on close. I think close. Yeah, okay, good, correct. Leave this, go to next. These are long talks, so we do it in last. Type consider the following at the insertion point and then press enter. So type consider here. Consider the following and press enter. At the beginning of the document, change the font size of the planning. Start with goals heading to 16 points. Select the text and increase the font size to 16. Click on 16. Remove the space before and after the italicized paragraph. So select the paragraph. Go to paragraph, click on this paragraph setting icon, and now remove the space. 0 and 0 and then OK. Change the page orientation to landscape. Go to layout tab and orientation to landscape. Select landscape. Delete the word promotional and from the first paragraph. Delete the word promotional and. Yeah, select this promotional and then press delete button. Our task 29 is select the second body paragraph that begins with precision builder is dedicated. Where is? Yeah, is dedicated. It dedicated. We selected. We need to select all. What they mean to select the second body paragraph that begins with precision builder is dedicated. I selected, but they are not showing anything. Yeah, this is correct. Go to next task. Demote the research container list atom and then promote the major structure list atom. Click on research contractor. Where is research contractor? Demote this. Demote this. Yeah, demote this and major structure increase this like this. Zoom in to 100%. 100%. Click on this plus icon sound to zoom this. We did 50% and 50% is remaining. And time is limit is 1 hour and time remaining is 42 minutes remaining. Clear the formatting from the what do you want to achieve. What do you want to achieve? Select this text and go to editing and style. Where is formatting? Remove this formatting. Clear all formatting. Yeah. Go to next task. They are taking time. We do in last. Utilize the word economical in the last paragraph in the document. Economical in the last. Yeah, this one. Select this one. Economical and utilize italic. Click on italic to utilize. Undo the last section in the document and then redo it. Undo and redo. Oh, sorry. Retry this. Undo the last action in the document and redo it. Click on this. Undo and now click on redo. Select the text kitchen in the first body paragraph. Kitchen. This one is kitchen. Select this kitchen. Select all the text in the current document. Do not click and drag. So type Control A. Select Control A. Type Control A. Select the list of free modeling stages which begins with design and planning, design and ends with installation. Select the design and planning and apply numbering with the format. Numbering 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Remove the hyperlink from the word IRS. Right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. Task 40 is create and print an envelope with the recipient address. Use the default delivery address and no return address. Create and print an envelope address. What is this? Fucking envelope. Click on envelope. Go to next. Start Word. Click on window icon and click on Word. Create a new blank document. Click on file and click on blank document. Open the Precision Builder newsletter document from the document folder. Click on file, click on open and click on browser and click on this and click on open. Task 44 is in the inside address, change the name black to where by undoing the automatic correction. In the inside address, where is inside is yeah. Change the name back to where. Very WERRE. Very retry the retry and retry. Right click on it. Synonym is what are they saying? In the inside address, change the name back to where by undoing the automatic correction. Yeah. Undo. Undo. Click on undo. Yeah, this one is correct. Perform a spelling and grammar check. Accept the suggested change for the first flag word and then ignore all occurrence of the next. Go to review tab and go to where is spelling view. No, we review and translate. No. Where is check profile and reference? Click on reference. No, where is in review spelling and grammar mistake, but there is not showing any. Translate document, check accessibility, word count, thresher, editor, word count, language. Where is English? Perform spelling and grammar. In layout, nothing. Design is nothing. Insert is nothing. In review, they are showing a review, but there I think not seen. Editor. Yeah, in spelling and grammar. In spelling, perform a spelling and grammar. Accept the suggested change for the first flag. Accept this. Accept this. Accept this. How we need to accept? They are all showing. Add to dictionary and then ignore all. Click on ignore all. Yeah, they are. Retry this. They are. Go to review, editor, and now in correction. Sorry, in spelling. We need to go in spelling. Review. Oh, sorry, review, editor, and spelling. Go here. Answer is incorrect. Sorry for this. Use the format painter to copy the formatting from the text precision builders in the first body paragraph and then apply it to the text precision builder in the second paragraph. Okay, so Select this text, go to Format Painter, and then Precision Builder, like this. Apply the default bullets to the four paragraphs that begin with kitchen. These four paragraphs. Select this paragraph and select on this bullet. Click on bullet. Task is change the paragraph spacing of the italicized paragraph to, so select this paragraph, italicized paragraph, and go to paragraph. Click on this icon, and before 6 point of spacing before of the and 12 point this one, and click on OK. Resize the picture of the kitchen to 180% of its current size. Switcher format and resize the picture of the kitchen to 180%. 180%. 180%. Resize the picture of the kitchen to 180% of its current size. Where is 180? 180% size relative to original size, and I resize the picture of the kitchen to 180% of its current size. We need to resize this 180%, 180%, and then click on OK. Yeah, go to next task. Go to next task. Show the formatting marks in the document and then hide the show the formatting marks. Show the formatting marks and then hide. Add the alt text to the kitchen picture by using click the picture, select the picture, and edit alt text and type remodel DELED remodeled kitchen, and then close this. Use the text margin in the search box to get help. Change margin. First option in get help on margin menu. Use the text margin in the search box. Here in search box type margin, and in the search box to get help on change margin. First option in get on margin menu. Get help on click on this margin. What are they saying? Read type your margin margins margins, and margins change margin help on change margin first option in get help on first option change margin. Correct. Task 54 is select the heading timelines design and planning and major structure so that all headings are selected at once. Answer correct. Set a custom top margin of 1.2%. Go to layout, margin, custom margin, and top margin is 1.2 and then click on OK. In the first body paragraph, change the font color of the word surviving to gold. Accent 6 darker option in the last column of the theme color split. In the first body paragraph, change the font color of the word surviving. Where is surviving? Click on the surviving and font color gold and darker 25%. Gold is a darker 55%. Underline the word morning after the agenda heading. Select the text morning and underline this. Correct the misspelled word receive in the first sentence. In the first sentence here. RECIE RECI. Right click on it and spelling to RECEIVE. Receive. Change the line spacing of the italic word. Select the paragraph and go to paragraph and line spacing to 2.0 and click on OK. I think yeah, it's correct. In the blank paragraph after the heading, insert the picture file name vanity from the picture folder. Go to insert type and picture from this device vanity.png and insert this. Our last task 61 is task 61 is apply bold to the soon text in the first body paragraph under the photo and then repeat the bold action on the then. Soon bold this and now repeat the bold action on the then. Where is then? Then text in the second body paragraph under the photo. Yeah, first text then. Bold this. Oh, sorry. Click on retry this task again and bold. Yeah, go retry this. Last chance are bold. Oh yeah, sorry.